How to transfer money to Touch and Go e-wallet. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money to a Touch and Go e-wallet. First of all, what you need to do is open the Google Chrome or any browser on your phone. Search for TNG Digital here. So now you need to open the TNG Digital website. Go to the profile page and click the Do It Now button. Click Link eWallet with Do It Now. Proceed to activate Touch and Go eWallet. After you have read and agreed to the terms and conditions, an OTP will be sent to your mobile number for verification purposes. You have successfully registered your mobile number as your Do It Now ID. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.